Hello traders! Today I am going to reveal you my simple Forex scalping strategy. In order to make you understand this strategy, I am going to show to it all live, because anyone can explain looking at the past charts. Live trading conditions are very different from the backtesting sessions, so I am sharing you my screen to help you as much as I can and will try my best. So this is the Euro to US dollar M5 chart, talking about indicators. I am using a 9 EMA that is exponential moving average. 9 EMA or 21 EMA is best for trading pullbacks and scalping. Here the overall market structure is bullish, so I am looking for a buying opportunity. Always look for the market structure, what the overall market condition is, whether it's bullish or bearish. See how the volume is decreasing as the price reaches the support. It's the best signal that bears are losing control. So one bought 2 lots here. Stop loss will be just below this red candle. I will wait for the high to be broken and an extension above. Looks like it's getting resistance in this levels. The pin bar shows buyers are pushing in. Okay, that's a nice signal. Notice the micro divergence in the tops. I am out. Let's draw the Fibonacci and look for a retracement. Expect a 23% retracement for this kind of momentum. Still, it's respecting the EMA. The price is kind of sideways now. Maybe a complex pullback. There are generally two types of pullback. One type may pull back and bounce, and the complex like this one will be sideways before it takes off. Maybe it will come down to the previous swing high. I took a short here. The volume analysis says if the volume is high and the impact is low, then it's a reversal. I booked my profits here. That's what a perfect scalp is. Always trade from support to resistances. Price always moves from one area to the other, and we all should take those opportunities. Overall, my sentiment is bullish and I will look for buying for a home run. I short here at the previous support. Shit, just few bad decisions, it's okay. Taking support, took pullback and now above the EMA and I am in. See the sudden increase in volume. Wicks here and I am out. With this simple strategy, you can scalp unlimited number of pips in a single day.